Hey, here we go. What we're going to do today is just look at how to edit a page. So we're in the dashboard, and it looks like regular old WordPress. We go to a page. Let's take a look at the About page. You can see right here that this one is made with Elementor. These are not made yet, so you don't see the word Elementor. I'm not sure why there's two of those, but anyway. So you just click the page. And instead of just regular WordPress, you'll see that there's kind of blank stuff here. You just click this blue box that says Edit with Elementor. Very simple. And what you're going to see is like what you see is what you get. So right now, you see the picture and a title and some text. So what you're going to do to edit these things is just click in the box. You can see there's a little blue pencil icon for editing in the upper right, but you can click anywhere in the box, and you'll notice this left side panel at the top. It says Edit Image Box. So this thing, this rectangle here with a blue border around it, is called an image box. So if you're ever confused, you can look up at the top here and see what that is. Now, what the image box is it's simply a module that includes an image, as you can see, a title here, and some text. And then if you scroll down, you'll notice that it's positioned so that the image is to the left. You could also say, nah, I want the image on the top, or no, I like the image on the right. Right now, this is the way we have it. So if you're worried about content, you might say, I don't like this picture. So just go ahead and click this picture and go ahead and choose a different one. If you want to edit the title, you can see right here, it says Storytelling Coach. You just say the best. And there it is. It appears on the right side. So it's all what you see is what you get. If you want to change this text, you want to change this word yogi, you just change it to yogi. And when you're done, you just click the green button to update. That's really all there is to it. It's very what you see is what you get. Now, when you want to click down here, you'll notice that when I roll down here, another light blue square appears, and I click in here, and this is a different box, and this box is called just a plain old text box. So it says Edit Text Editor at the upper left, and there's your content right here. Now, you never have to worry about stylistic stuff here. Just put in the content. You can see it's just plain old text here. And all the stylistic stuff happens in this tab up here. And that's where, and you don't have to worry about that. I'm going to be doing all the design work. That's where you would choose text color, kind of typeface you want, if there's a shadow, blah, blah. And don't worry about advanced. That's like spacing and other things like that. So content is what you should be worried about. That's pretty much it. That's a text box. If you wanted to add another one, let's say, you go to this little grid up here, and you click that. And that gives you all of the different widgets in Elementor. So you might say, I'd like to add a video. Well, then you would drag this over to here. See, it says drag widget here. This is kind of for dummies. Let's say you wanted to make a button. So you grab this button, drag and drop, and there's a button. Look, it says click here. And then you go right ahead and you can change the text to submit. You can create whatever link you want for that button. And once again, you can style it for different colors and shapes and sizes and so on. And then when you're ready with that, you just again click Update. When you're done with all that, you go to the upper left with everything, all your edits, and you click this thing here. And you can either go back to the dashboard of the post page, or you can go ahead and view it. So go ahead and view. And there it is. There's that submit button we added. And then if you say, well, I want to make more changes, you just go up here and click Edit with Elementor. If you just click Edit Page, then you'll still have to select Edit with Elementor. So for now, that should do it.